Hi, in this video I will show you how to use a tool online that allows you to translate phrases or simple sentences into pictograms. So this is called Text2Picto. So I will Google it, Text2Picto, and let's see, it should be this one, Text2Picto, Text2Pictogram Translator. Okay, so we have a demo version, and you should choose the language. I'm gonna use English. Let's try a sample sentence. Walk my dog in the park. Period. Then translate. See, some of the translations may not be that accurate, but they may give you hints as to how to represent an idea visually. Because sometimes it's hard to represent something complex. If it's just something concrete like an animal, well, just a single pictogram will do the trick. But when it comes to a whole phrase, then you may be in doubt. So Text2Picto may help you in that regard. So I also hope that you find this website and this tool useful, well, for you to design teaching materials.